Hi, my name is Dr. Amanda Gabrielli, and I'm a psychology professor here at Forsyth Tech. Before I taught psychology full-time, I spent several years as a neuroscience researcher in both the fields of learning and memory and drug addiction. Many people do not realize that in addition to conducting research, psychological scientists spend quite a bit of time writing. An extremely important part of the scientific method is writing up your results to share with other scientists in the form of research articles published in academic journals. We also spend a lot of time reading articles about the research that other scientists have conducted in order to help design our own research studies. We must learn what is already known and what we don't yet know. You are actually probably already familiar with the general format of an academic research article, since it is similar to the format that is followed in a science fair project. We start with an introduction, which is a summary of what current research tells us about the subject area, as well as identifies a hole or missing piece in the research that our current study will fill. Then, the methods section details how exactly we conducted the study. Next, a results section that details our findings, including statistical analyses. And finally, a conclusion section where we interpret our results. Appropriate citations are important for all areas of a research article. As the introduction is a summary of the research already conducted, we need to cite that research. We also need to demonstrate that we have a good grasp of the background ourselves so that we can show that our own research study is justified. It is important that we show, through summarizing current research, why exactly we decided to do the study that we did, otherwise our research won't be taken as seriously. We basically use the introduction to show that we know what we are talking about. The other area of an academic research paper that contains the most citations is the conclusion, where we interpret our results. This is because when we say what we think happened in our study and why, we have to back that up with existing research. I've actually always found that the conclusions were the most difficult to write because of this fact. We always have ideas about why we think we got the results that we did, but our opinions don't matter unless we can back them up by citing other research. This is especially challenging when we get results that we don't anticipate, and often means we spend hours reading other research articles to help put our own results within a context. This context also helps other scientists understand how our research results fit within what is already known. As in all scientific writing, we must give credit to the research done before us through citation so that we can continue to figure out how the brain works one study at a time. This information applies not only to psychological research, but to anyone writing a research paper, even students.